Hello everyone! So today I'm taking you with me through my Sunday routine, which is a mix of productivity, relaxation, and some fresh air in nature. So have you ever wondered what a Sunday reset looks like? Let me take you through mine. Time for a morning run. Full disclosure here, I'm a complete beginner when it comes to running, so I cannot even run for 5 minutes straight. But after all, I'm being active, so that's all that matters. My favorite part about running in nature is how calming it is. And when you combine some activity in nature, you actually get the benefits of both at the same moment. Back from the run, now it's time for some meal prep. And prepping meals for the week ahead helps me to keep me organized and saves me so much time. So on the menu of this week we have lasagna, so that's why I'm doing the sauce bechamel. After we are going to do a soup, a veggie soup, some roasted veggies and some chicken cheddar. After the cooking is done and the kitchen is clean, it's time to relax. So reading on the couch is one of my favorite ways to relax, especially after a very busy morning. I also like to plan my week ahead and set up goals, which help me realize what I really have to do during the week and allow me to keep track. To wrap up the day, we go for a walk in nature. It's just so peaceful. I love looking up at all the trees and seeing how the leaves change color. And that's my Sunday reset. I hope this inspired you to build your own routine that feels both productive but still relaxing.